Hello and welcome back on the penetration testing with Kali Linux course. In today's module we will discuss about bash environment, bash scripting and Kali Linux. So as we know, most of our Debian based systems have bash shell, which stands for born again shell. So this born again shell provides a powerful environment to work in and a scripting engine that we can make use to automate procedures using existing Linux tools. Being able to quickly whip up a bash script to automate a given task is an essential requirement for any security professional. So in today's tutorial we will gently introduce you to bash scripting with some theoretical scenario. So assume let's imagine that you are tasked with finding all the subdomains listed on some xyz.com index page and then find their corresponding IP address. So doing this manually will be quite frustrating and time consuming. However, with simple bash commands we can turn this into some easy task, and let's get into it. First of all, fire up your terminal. Alright, so let's first of all download the index page of some website, let's say cisco.com. So for that we have a very handy command with us in our arsenal, that is wget, and let's name the domain www.cisco.com and let's press enter. Alright, we have downloaded the cisco.com's index page. Alright, so let's quickly look over this file. So for looking over this, let's say ls hyphen no one index.html. Alright, so let's say vim index.html, and if we see it, we are getting something doc type html, some blah blah blah, and it's not quite organized, and so that it's quite frustrating, I assume. So let me just get out of this. Alright, you see the content of this index.html was quite frustrating, so let's use some command to extract all the lines in the file that contain the string href, which is basically indicating a link. So for that we can use grep command, grep, and the string we are looking for href equals to, in double quote, and the file name index.html. So this result is still a swamp of HTML, but notice the most of the line have similar structure. You can see it's kind of all having href and href, and can be split conventionally by using some delimiter to specifically extract domain names from the file. We can try using cut commands with our delimiter. So let's do it. Grep, first of all, as earlier, href, and the href equals to, and file name index.html, and we'll pipe it to cut sd slash f, and the field is third. Alright, let's press enter. Pretty cool. So yeah, this is something in readable format we are getting. You see software.cisco.com, ldpsuw, blah blah, and we have lots of domains over here. Now its looks are quite good than the previous results. Alright, the output we get it so far from optimal and has probably missed quite a few links on the way, but let's continue. Our text now includes entries such as, if you can see, designs. Then we have, what else, we have some text entries too here. Design 375 something, number, login, we have en. Alright, so let's clean up our list to include only domains. So let's use grep to filter out all the line that contains a period to get a cleaner output, and grab href fence and file index.html, and let's pipe it to, and then cut -d and field tree, and again let's pipe it to grep dot. Let's run it. So if you see, our output is almost clean. Okay, so however, if we look now, we have entries that looks like something like this. If you see, this is quite not an interesting entries that we are interested in. So we can clean this out by using cut command again. If you remember, till now we have used one cut command, two, I think two. If I can just reverse it, no, it's only one. So again we are gonna put another cut command, so as before, and let's pipe it to another cut space single quote, double quote, single quote, and field as 1. Let's press enter. Now we have a quite a good look. Yes, now we have a nice clean list, but lots of duplicates. You see in www.cisco.com there are lots of them, right? So we can sort it with the command with having a unique option. So you can put unique option using -u. So let's run the previous command and pipe it to sort -u. So it's going to sort out the unique URLs or the links. Perfect. So we have all the unique links, no repetition. Alright, an even cleaner way of doing this will be to involve a touch or regular expression into our command, redirecting the output into a text file. So our earlier command was this, and let's redirect it to, let's say, anything, links.txt. Press enter. Alright, so if we see, let me just say locate links.txt. It's okay, we have lots of them. I'm really sorry. I'm very much interested in this one, so let me just do ls. Yeah, there we have. So let me use vim links.txt. Yeah, perfect. Alright, now we have a nice clean list of domain link from front page of cisco.com. Our next step will be to use the host command on each domain name in the text file we created in order to discover their corresponding IP address. Here also we can use bash one-liner loop to do this for us. For URL in dollar, let's cat the file links.txt, close it, semicolon, do host URL, semicolon, done. Let's press enter. Perfect. If you see, it's giving us the IP address which are associated with the links. So this host command gave us all sorts of output, not all of it relevant. We want to extract just the IP address from all of this information, so we can pipe the output into grep looking for text has address, then cut and sort the output to, let me just stop it. So our previous command, let me pipe it to grep has address, and pipe it to cut d and field to 4 and sort it, sort dash u. Let's give it a couple of seconds. So what actually we are doing here is like we are like only extracting the IP addresses from all of this information, and we are piping the output into grep and looking for the text which has address, then cut and sort the output. So here we are. Alright, and if you notice, all of them are unique. Perfect.